Eli Sosa. I'm a senior, and my CTE is auto collision. I joined auto collision because I really liked cars, and they've always been revolving around my life.
Something that is different about my CTE than the other ones is that it's really hands-on, and we spend most of our time outside of the classroom. We're not always in the classroom.
You just come in, you see your part, you go to it, and you start working. It's kind of fun when we have to destroy it a bit, so we have something to work on. You learn leadership skills, and you learn a lot of hands-on training. You're certified to go to paint shops, you can go to auto body repair, wheel alignments. I would recommend auto collision because it's really fun. You meet a lot of friends, you get close to the people you work with.
I'm in auto collision.
I'm in auto collision.
I am in auto collision.
And this is who we are.